Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get non option on App Store. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your App Store, then tap on profile icon, then tap on Apple ID banner name. Wait some second, then tap on country or region, tap on this. Wait some second, then tap on change country or region, select any one country, scroll down, tap on United States. From here you can see terms and conditions, then tap on agree, tap on agree. You can see payment method, credit, debit card, PayPal. You can see option none. What you need to do it, select none. From here enter your passcode, enter your street name and enter your city. Select your state like California, enter your California zip code, enter your phone number, then tap on next. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.